The aviation industry has long been dominated by a handful of giants, with Boeing and Airbus shaping the future of flight for decades. Yet, in a world where technology evolves faster than most can keep pace, a disruption of historic proportions may be arriving. Elon Musk, known for redefining industries with Tesla and SpaceX, has unveiled plans that many are already calling the death knell for traditional aircraft manufacturers. His idea is not a mere upgrade to current aviation technology, but an entirely new paradigm, a Tesla-built electric plane designed to fly farther, faster, and cleaner than anything before it. Musk has often teased the concept of an electric aircraft, casually mentioning his sketches and designs in interviews, but the announcement of a Tesla super electric plane scheduled for debut in 2020-26 transforms whispers into tangible reality. If it succeeds, it could mark the rebirth of aviation as a field that has not seen true reinvention in nearly half a century. At the heart of this bold endeavor is affordability. Traditional aircraft, even small ones, carry price tags well into the millions, placing them far beyond the reach of individuals or small businesses. Tesla's super electric plane, however, is expected to cost just under $80,000, a figure more commonly associated with luxury SUVs than with revolutionary aircraft. Achieving such a low price point required innovations not just in technology, but in manufacturing itself. Tesla's Nevada Giga Aero plant, modeled on its successful gigafactories for cars, is set to mass-produce entire fuselages in single presses, cutting assembly time by two-thirds and reducing production costs by more than half. In doing so, Tesla effectively applies the same strategy that allowed it to dominate the electric car market: produce at scale, cut inefficiencies, and drive down prices until the product becomes accessible to ordinary consumers. This plant alone is expected to generate tens of thousands of jobs and inject billions into the American economy each year, making the electric plane not just a feat of engineering, but also a pillar of national industrial growth. Yet the question of affordability extends beyond the sticker price. Airplanes are expensive to operate and maintain, but Tesla has crafted innovations that could make flying as financially feasible as owning a family car. The key lies in Tesla's development of aluminum-ion batteries, which cost less than half of the industry average to produce. These batteries, engineered in Fremont and manufactured at scale, allow the plane to achieve ranges exceeding 1,300 miles on a single charge. That is enough to cover nearly every domestic route in the United States, from Los Angeles to New York, with a fraction of the operational cost of jet fuel. More importantly, these batteries are built for durability, capable of thousands of charge cycles and designed to be recycled, reducing both long-term expenses and environmental impact. By integrating sustainability into the supply chain, Tesla ensures its electric plane is not only revolutionary in function, but also in responsibility. Weight, however, has always been the Achilles heel of electric flights. Unlike fuel, which burns away during a journey, batteries must be carried from takeoff to landing, creating immense structural strain on the aircraft. This has been the stumbling block for countless electric aviation startups. Tesla's answer is the StarVolt battery, a lighter, denser, and safer alternative to conventional lithium-ion packs. With an energy density 60% greater than the industry standard, these batteries achieve the same range at half the weight, allowing Tesla's plane to lift off without excessive strain and land without crushing its landing gear. Working in partnership with SpaceX engineers, Tesla also crafted an airframe out of carbon fiber composites and aluminum-lithium alloys. This design reduces overall aircraft weight by nearly a quarter while maintaining superior strength and resilience. The result is a plane that balances structural demands with battery needs in a way no competitor has managed. For skeptics who feared electric aviation was doomed to remain grounded, Tesla's combination of advanced materials and cutting-edge energy storage provides an undeniable answer. Of course, no plane, however affordable or lightweight, could ever take to the skies without overcoming aviation's highest hurdle: Safety. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, enforces standards so rigorous that entire startups have collapsed trying to achieve certification. Tesla anticipated this challenge and designed its systems not just to meet, but to exceed requirements. The Star Volt batteries are nearly fireproof with a chemical composition that is 99.8% non-flammable, a dramatic improvement over lithium-ion technology, which has long raised concerns about overheating and fire risk. These batteries have already survived FAA stress tests involving extreme temperature swings and violent vibrations, all without failure. Tesla has also built redundancy into every level of the aircraft's design. Dual battery packs, quadruple redundant flight controls, and Kevlar-reinforced casings ensure that even in worst-case scenarios, the plane can continue operating safely. The cockpit itself is shielded by Tesla glass, a material capable of withstanding forces several times greater than the plane's own weight. In every conceivable emergency, from turbulence to crash landing, Tesla's design prioritizes survival and resilience. For regulators, these advancements could turn a daunting certification process into a streamlined approval, especially with political support emerging from Washington. Indeed, the political climate may be the quiet catalyst behind this aviation revolution. Under new policy frameworks, the U.S. government has begun actively supporting advanced air mobility, from vertical takeoff aircraft to electric planes. Fast-track certifications, tax incentives, and federal grants are making America fertile ground for companies daring to redefine flight. Tesla, already equipped with aerospace expertise from SpaceX, advanced battery technology from its automotive sector, and artificial intelligence capabilities through its Dojo supercomputer, is uniquely positioned to capitalize on this environment. What once seemed like an outlandish dream is now being nurtured into reality by both technological readiness and political will. By 2026, Tesla aims not only to launch a new aircraft, but also to establish itself as the cornerstone of a new aviation era. Beyond the technical marvels and regulatory triumphs, the Tesla electric plane speaks to a deeper necessity: America's crumbling infrastructure. Highways are choked with traffic, costing commuters hundreds of hours and billions of dollars each year. Bridges and roads across the nation are aging into obsolescence, with the Department of Transportation estimating trillions in required repairs. Against this backdrop, an aircraft that can take off vertically from rooftops or parking lots, bypassing roads entirely, becomes not just a luxury, but a solution. With the ability to fly 1,300 miles on a single charge, land quietly in urban centers, and recharge in under 30 minutes, Tesla's plane could redefine commuting. A journey that takes hours by car could be reduced to minutes by air without the noise, pollution, or costs of traditional aviation. In cities where traffic drains productivity and erodes quality of life, such an option is nothing short of transformative. Equally transformative is the passenger experience. Inside the cabin, Tesla envisions a minimalist yet intelligent environment that merges aviation with smart technology. Seats designed with the ergonomics of Tesla's Model X will swivel and recline, adapting automatically to passenger preferences. Panoramic smart glass will tint in response to sunlight, creating a serene interior atmosphere. Active noise cancellation, bone conduction audio systems, and Starlink-powered connectivity will turn flights into seamless extensions of digital life, where work, entertainment, and relaxation coexist in harmony. Tesla's AI, evolved from its full self-driving systems, will handle navigation, obstacle avoidance, and even emergency landings, allowing passengers to interact with the plane through natural voice commands. This is not just flight, it is the transformation of an aircraft into a flying smart space, a living environment that adapts and responds intelligently. Taken together, these elements paint a vision that goes far beyond novelty. Tesla's electric plane is not simply another product, but a convergence of innovations from across Musk's empire: batteries from Tesla, materials from SpaceX, AI from Dojo, and connectivity from Starlink. Each component feeds into the next, creating a system that is as integrated as it is revolutionary. While Boeing and Airbus remain focused on incremental improvements to traditional jetliners, Tesla is leaping into an entirely new category, one that blends affordability, sustainability, safety, and intelligence. If successful, this will not merely challenge the incumbents but render their business models obsolete. As the year 2026 approaches, anticipation builds. The question is no longer whether electric flight is possible, but whether Tesla can execute its vision at scale. Musk himself has admitted that execution, not innovation, is the true challenge. Yet history suggests that when Tesla commits to a bold vision, the world shifts to accommodate it. Just as the Model S redefined electric cars and SpaceX redefined rockets, the Tesla electric plane may soon redefine what it means to fly. The skies, once the realm of national carriers and billion-dollar manufacturers, may become accessible to anyone with the price of a luxury car. The age of electric aviation is dawning, and with it, the rebirth of flight itself.